تنحى يا حزن واهجر فؤادا توكل بجد بعزم فصيح تنحى يا حزن واهجر فؤادا توكل بجد بعزم فصيح.
Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In the previous class, we discussed the evidence for Tajweed from the Holy Quran and the Ahadith of the Prophet Sallam. In this lesson, in Tajweed Al Quran Course, we will establish the obligation of Tajweed through the statement of a companion, Ab, and then through the consensus, Ijma, of the Muslim Ummah. 1. The statement of a companion, Ab. It is narrated that a man recited the verse, Dime Sadakat lil Fuqra, without prolonging the madda. Upon hearing this, Abdullah ibn Mas'ud, R.A. said, "This is not how I heard the Messenger of Allah recite it." In other words, he had heard the Prophet Sallam recite it with the proper madda, prolongation. 2. The consensus of the Muslim Ummah, Ijma. Definition of Ijma. When the scholars of the Muslim Ummah unanimously agree upon the ruling of a religious matter in any era, this agreement is called Ism, consensus. Evidence 1. Imam Mal al-Uqayawith Makrunar writes in his book Al-Mina al-Fikriyah. Translation. There is no disagreement among the scholars that learning this science Tajweed is for kifya, a collective obligation, while applying its rules during recitation is for ayan, an individual obligation upon every person who recites the Quran according to any accepted mode of recitation, kira, or narration, rivya, even if that particular recitation is sunnah. Evidence 2. Shaq Muhammad Makkanar writes in his book Nihit al-Kawal, Al-Muft. Translation. Indeed, the Ummah, which has been protected from collectively agreeing upon error, has unanimously agreed on the obligation of Tajweed from the time of the Prophet ﷺ until our present day. No one among them has differed regarding this, and this consensus is one of the strongest proofs. With this, we conclude today's lesson. In Tajweed Al Quran Course, in the next class, we will discuss the evidence for Tajweed from Qis, analogical reasoning, and begin the introduction to the science of Tajweed.